How are you doing today? My name is Gino. Today I'm being assisted by Ellie. Today we're going to cover basic pots and pans in the kitchen and everyday items you're going to need to get the job done, whatever you're cooking. First thing I want to cover, very important, I know it's not a pot or a pan, but it's a cutting board. The reason I want to cover this is because this cutting board is big enough that your items are not going to fall off of them. It's not a very expensive board. I believe it's like $12 at Walmart. Yet it's small enough to fit into the sink. The reason I'm covering this is because you should have several cutting boards and you should mark each one of them in the back. You do not want to cut a piece of chicken on the same cutting board you cut lettuce or vegetables. All that would do is lead to cross-contamination and you'd have all kinds of issues in the kitchen. Next item I want to cover is aluminum pots and pans. Sauté pan and a saucepan. The reason I chose aluminum over any other metal is because it's a very inexpensive and durable metal. This is basically what's used in commercial kitchens and culinary schools. You can burn this, I mean black, stick whatever gets stuck to it, and then you take a piece of steel wool and it'll look brand new again. That's how easy this thing is to clean. They are durable. The only thing is, after a long time, they will start to warp a little bit. Now, these things get put under a tremendous amount of use at commercial grade kitchens and at culinary schools, yet they hold up. So in an everyday kitchen, these things, there's no reason these should not last you several years. Wire basket. Wire basket is great when you're deep frying or when you're blanching vegetables. Fits right into the pans. The lids for these are interchangeable, depending on the size of pans you have. They'll fit your sauté pans, they'll fit your saucepans just as well. Teflon coated pan. Very important to keep a Teflon coated pan. There are some items, like fish for example, you do not want to be cooking in a regular aluminum pan. It sticks, the fish is flaky, and it will break apart the fillet. And omelets also, you don't want omelets sticking. Good set of bowls, if they all fit with each other, even better. That way it makes them easier for storage. Clear containers. Clear containers are very important, so you can go ahead and see whatever you're storing inside the refrigerator. These type of containers are also commercial grade containers. They're stackable, so when you put them in the refrigerator, you can see exactly what you have in there at a glance. For storage purposes, they store very easily. Some containers come in metal, so you can go ahead and take whatever item you have in the refrigerator, pop it in the oven just a bit, and it keeps them warm. They make them in different sizes and with different adapters. This adapter right here specifically is so you can drain out meat as it sits in here and the grease separates. These type of containers, the metal ones, you can actually put them into a chafing dish, which is a larger dish that has hot water at the bottom and a burner to keep the food actually warm for parties. Half sheet. Half sheet, basically all my half sheets that I purchased replaced my cookie sheets. Got rid of almost every cookie sheet I have. It has a bigger surface area, easier to cook, fits right in the oven, very easy to clean, and it has multiple uses in and out of the oven. And last but not least, good griddle. Okay. This is a heavy griddle I picked up downtown. You want to get something with some weight to it. The griddle's too small, but it ends up happening is the middle will twist and warp on you. And you will use it quite a bit for quite a bit of recipes. Well, that pretty much covers it. Thank you very much for watching.